So there's that. But I told her to come by. How much weight have you lost so far?
So I'm down 53 pounds.
Want to say that again?
53 pounds,
Have you been
guys.
trying to, you've been through a process because you had reproductive things that happened that caused you to gain a bunch of weight.
Yes.
So it wasn't by choice. You didn't
just eat a lot
you
and
didn't
gain weight.
you,
No.
you weren't lazy and
No.
you didn't eat a lot. I mean,
No.
shit environmentally, because you grew up in a really toxic environment.
And
Toxic
then,
emotionally,
yes.
toxic physically,
uh-huh.
right?
And then PCOS.
And
Can we
PCOS.
talk about that? I don't know if we
You can talk about whatever you want.
PCOS.
What is PCOS?
So it's polycystic ovarian syndrome.
What does that mean?
Horrible blood sugar.
Okay.
Not diabetic though, which is crazy. All my blood.
So completely insulin resistant, all jacked up.
Can't get pregnant.
Okay.
Which is the thing, you know.
Yeah, it's a thing for you.
The thing for me.
Right.
We've been trying for 3 years, but
Okay.
yeah. So started on Sculpt, working out.
Why did you start working out though?
Because now I feel like I have all this great energy.
Shit. So your metabolism was improving, and so this has been going on for a little bit. How much have you lost now?
53 or 54. I can't remember exactly, but my BMI has gone down like 9 points. So I have 8 more points to go before I'm not obese.
8 more points to go, and you've been trying this. How long have you dealt with this issue?
Gosh, 7, 8 years.
So you've waited 8 years to do anything?
Well, I waited 8 years for something great to come along.
Oh, so you waited
here.
So say that again.
So I waited.
So you waited 8. So you didn't try anything else. You just waited 8 years to have Christina create something.
Well, I tried things that aren't healthy.
Right? You've done a lot. Yeah, you can talk about it. This is ambassador training. No one's listening anyway.
So I tried things that aren't healthy. We'll say crash diets. We'll say Ozempic. Ozempic.
Well, you tried Ozempic? You did shots and shit?
I did shots and shit.
You've done like hormones. You've tried every diet. You've tried all this.
Low carb, full keto, not eating. Nothing worked. You add a little Sculpt, working out, and zero in. Here we are.
Is zero in important?
Zero in is just as important as Sculpt, in my opinion.
Was your husband on Adderall?
Since the 6th grade.
Since the 6th grade? Does he use it anymore?
He doesn't.
He doesn't.
He doesn't.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Does he like it?
It's changed a lot of things.
Huh.
A lot of things. Now I don't have to worry about heart problems or yeah, I don't have to worry about him waking up from a heart attack.
That's kind of good, right?
Yeah.
Because you're not old.
No, we're not old. We're young. We're young bucks. So
have you missed the 50 pounds so far?
No.
No?
No. I feel great. I can walk up and down the stairs instead of taking the elevator.
You don't want it back?
I don't want it back.
But you're still losing more.
Still losing more.
You're feeling better. You're functioning better.
I'm hoping to get down to 170.
Which would be a good healthy weight.
A good healthy weight for me. And my BMI is most important so that I don't have high cholesterol and all those good things.
You won't be insulin resistant.
Won't be insulin resistant. Maybe I'll have a baby. We'll see.
God, isn't that be cool? Is that something you'd want to share with people?
Absolutely.
Because like if that was happening, there's a lot of people that would actually want that. Like 42% of the US population would probably want to hear that.
Yeah. It's good stuff, guys.
What else would you share to that?
Which part?
How long you been doing that? Couple weeks?
Sculpt?
Yeah.
Well, I did it, 2 weeks before you guys told anyone about it.
Oh, who told you that?
I mean, Dr. Ram and I had a little pact here. We I hate to say this, we secretly took Sculpt.
You were pill popping?
We were pill popping together though.
Yeah.
Together. And with our zero in, and I was like, this is crazy. It's so crazy. Tiger is actually doing a case study on me right now. So
oh, wait, what? You can do case studies? Are you guys doing that? You have everybody that's using this stuff doing case studies yet? You should. And there's emails that are going out to invite you to do it and invite your friends to do it.
Do it. Do it.